The error message, "The deployment operation failed because the volume is offline, result: 0x80073D0D," typically occurs when attempting to install or update applications on a drive that Windows perceives as unavailable. This issue is commonly encountered during installations via the Microsoft Store or Xbox app, particularly when targeting secondary drives. Method number 1. Ensure the target drive is online and accessible. So in this step, before troubleshooting other potential causes, it's important to verify that the drive you're attempting to install to is properly connected and recognized by Windows. If Windows detects the drive as offline, it will prevent installations, resulting in the error message. First, we need to open Disk Management by pressing Win+X and selecting Disk Management from the menu. Locate the target drive in the lower section of the window. Ensure its status is listed as online. If the status reads offline, this could be why you're encountering the error. Right-click on the drive and select Online to restore its accessibility. If the drive is still inaccessible after this, ensure it's physically connected and check the cables or connections. Method number 2. Check drive health and file system integrity. Corrupted file systems or a failing drive can cause Windows to misinterpret the status of a drive as offline. Running a check on the drive's health can help identify and fix any corruption or issues in the file system that might cause the error. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Run the chkdsk:/f command to check the drive's health and fix errors. Replace C with the letter of their drive experiencing the issue. Probably it's C drive where mostly Windows install new apps and other contents. Allow the scan to complete and fix any detected errors. This may take some time depending on the size of the drive and the number of errors found. Method number 3. Set the system drive as the default installation location. Some applications are designed to install on the system drive, usually C, and when a different drive is selected, conflicts may arise. By adjusting the default installation location, you ensure that new apps install to the preferred drive, which may resolve deployment issues. And if you've less space, you can also try the alternative drive for test. Press Windows plus I to open the settings. Then look for Storage option. Scroll down and click on Change where new content is saved. Under the New Apps Will Save To section, change the default installation location to the system drive, usually C. Save the changes and attempt to install the application again. And lastly, verify update and store services are running. Windows services related to updates and app installations may be disabled or malfunctioning, which can prevent applications from being installed. Ensuring that these services are running correctly is crucial for a smooth installation process. Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msz and press Enter to open the services window. Locate services such as Windows Update and Microsoft Store Install Service. Ensure that these services are running. If any of them are stopped, right-click on the service and select Start to enable it. That's it, guys. Hopefully these methods will resolve the problem. Additionally, keeping your system and drives up to date can prevent future errors and improve overall performance. Good luck, and yep, don't forget to subscribe Windows Fixer.